So hi guys, this is an unboxing of iBall's IB135 earphones, or more specifically earbuds that I ordered from eBay, and I got it today. So let's open it without wasting much time. Actually a very good packing, to be honest. Some kind of wrap being used, but it's gonna create a mess on my table though. Come on. It's really an excellent packing. And there is some foam. And that probably is the receipt. Yes, so that is the receipt. I'm gonna hide my details and show you certain parts. The product, iBall earphones, model number IB135, and it costed me about this much, 180. Yeah, so that's pretty much about it. And back side, thank you for buying and all those kind of stuff. Okay, so let's go to the product. So here is the product. To be honest, it looks cool. Good quality seems, because of course it's iBall product, so of course it's having a very good quality. So there are a few details if you want to pause and read it, and these are the details of the earbuds itself. Called as clarity headsets. Yep. Okay, so let's go and open these things. It really looks good, but it depends upon the quality of the music too, so I'll figure out how to open this thing. Come on, man. Okay. Man, how to open this thing now? Okay, there is the thing coming out. I think this should also come out readily. Yep. Slide it. And it is creating some kind of trouble to get it out, but anyhow we got it out. So those are how the earphones look. Cool. If you take a look at these things, they are not like perfectly circular. They are some kind of shapes, but that's cool. Okay, so it's having this gold plated kind of gold plating on this plug. That's a cool feature. It's having about 1.2 meters length of the wire, which is a cool thing. Yep, so that's pretty much about the unboxing of this headphones. It looks cool. I'm gonna try it. Thanks for watching.